Heavy rain pounded central and western Japan on Friday, causing major flood and hurricane, prompting evacuation orders and warning of rivers bursting their banks, with the severe weather to continue into the weekend. Floods are spreading in parts of Japan on Friday as Tropical Storm Mawar neared, with authorities advising more than 1 million people to evacuate. Several floods also brought disruption to transportation service, including cancellation of Shinkansen bullet train service and local lines. Among them, Central Japan Railway Co. suspended all bullet train service in both directions between Tokyo Station and Shin-Osaka Station in the country's west in the afternoon. Typhoon Mawar, which wreaked havoc on Guam earlier this week, though the Typhoon Mawar has weighed to a tropical storm from the earlier super typhoon status. However, the typhoon was still strong and caused massive flooding in Japan at this time. Nearly 1.3 million people across the country were advised to evacuate, with the largest number in areas of western Honshu such as Wakayama Prefecture. Thunderstorms were observed the following one after another in 6 prefectures, causing central heavy rainfall and flooding each getting bigger, including in the western Japan prefecture of Kochi, Nara, and Wakayama. Television footage shows several rivers close to the top of their banks by mid-afternoon and has overflowed into residential areas. In Toyohashi in central Japan's Aichi Prefecture, the local government issued an emergency evacuation warning to around 76,000 residents living in the basins of the 2 rivers that flow through the city. The city of Iwata and Shizuoka Prefecture issued similar orders to some of its residents after the river has overflowed. The agency says it expects the heavy rain to continue falling into Saturday over an area spanning western to northern Japan, and it is urging vigilance, including against landslides and overflowing rivers. Similar weather patterns have caused flooding and landslides in the past, most notably in the summer of 2018, when more than 1 million people was affected in western Japan. Though heavy summer rains are not uncommon in Japan, June is unusually early for a typhoon-type storm to near the island. The Typhoon Mawar is currently still counting on its path to elsewhere. Even though it's getting weaker, it still carries the threat of unwanted natural phenomena. Therefore, residents are expected to always be vigilant and reduce their activities outside the home during the Typhoon Mawar. Hopefully, the storm will pass soon so that residents can carry out normal activities.